Hi swimmers, Jason Tate here, head coach of Southwest Swim, and firstly thank you for taking an interest in our swim coaching services. We hope we can help you out, whether it be in a squad session or one of our video analysis, one-to-ones or open water. So this video is just to show you through how you go about booking your session with us, and I'm going to run you through an example of booking a endless pool one-to-one session very quickly. All our sessions are booked and paid for online, and you can schedule those from your desktop or your mobile phone. We also have a mobile phone app which makes life slightly easier if you're only using a mobile phone device, and just search your relevant store, the Apple Store or the Play Store, for Southwest Swim, and you will get a lovely little app where you can book and manage your sessions from there. So first of all, I'm going to run you through booking a video analysis, a one-to-one endless pool session. Now, when you're booking a one-to-one based service, everything follows the same process. You're just selecting the service you want. So everything will be the same, whether you're booking an open water one-to-one, a video analysis, a HiiT session, learn to swim, it's all the same. So I'm just going to run you through an example of that now. So first port of call, when you contact us, we'll always send you to southwestswim.co.uk, because that's our website, and it has all in-depth information on there too. So you can have a look at that and see which service with us matches what you need and what is best. So we're going to first of all go to our video analysis and one-to-one up here on the menu, and this takes us to a page where you can see all our endless pool services. So I'm going to book an endless pool session. Directly in this page it tells you all about the session and what we recommend, what you get out of that session, okay, including the length. So it's 50 minutes long, and different payment options there. But if you scroll down, you've got the appointment booking widget. Now, sometimes we've had problems on a Apple Safari browser where this doesn't show. So if that is the case, just follow the link that will take you directly into our booking system itself, which is www.booking.southwestswim.co.uk, and you can book your session from there. So first of all, select the service category you want. So we've looked at an endless pool session, so it's already highlighted for you, endless pool sessions. If you wanted to change that to open water, you can click on there and then it will just show you the services for open water. So endless pool, we're going to book an endless pool one-to-one non-video, okay? So I'm just going to click in that box. What I don't want to do is click by purchase option, because it takes me a longer route around the system. You can then add available add-ons. So for example, if you wanted to buy a swim hat, you can click on there and it'll add the swim hat to your session, okay? If you didn't want to do that, oops, let's just go back into that a second. If you didn't want to do that, then you can just click next and it will bypass that part of the system. This is the important part, our scheduling. So we can see next week we've only got the sessions on the 29th left. So if we click in there, and then you can choose your start time. So I'm going to choose 6 o'clock in the evening and then click next again. Now we get to this part of questions. So tell us a little bit about yourself and what you hope to get out of the session. That's an important part for us, so we can look at that beforehand and see what sort of session we're going to be delivering for you. So tell us a little bit about that. It doesn't have to be a novel, just a few sentences will do, because we'll talk more about that in the session. So just an outline of what you hope to get out of the session here. And the rest of the questions are all COVID related, okay? So at this time when we're recording this, COVID is key in our minds, so we've got to ask you some various questions before the session. So I'm just going to pause the video here. Okay, so I answered my COVID information on there, and I clicked next at the bottom of the page like we've been doing before, and then it takes me to the payment page and how we want to pay. So with one-to-ones we offer a single session, a 6-session pack or a 3-session pack. Now these session packs here, they're not shareable, they're only valid for the swimmer that is signing up to the session. Okay, so don't think you can buy a 6-session pack and share it with friends and family. It is only for you, because it encourages you there to come back and have a regular session. So they're designed to get you infused and keep coming back and progressing your swim session by session. We also sell some video analysis packages down here, so platinum, gold, silver and bronze, and with those you get various different things. So for example, our bronze package, you get a video analysis session and a follow-up one-to-one, and our platinum package, for example, is video analysis, an endless pool follow-up and 10 squad sessions. So if you're intending to swim with squad with us, one of those analysis packages may be good, and it will save you some money as well. Alright, so I'm just going to select for this session here an open water one-to-one. So I'm going to pay £60, that's highlighted there, and I'm going to click next. So on that last page, just to warn you, you can click more than one option. So don't do that, else it will charge you for both. Okay. Now we come to the final stage here. So I can either log into my account if I'm already an existing customer. So I just log in down here with my username and password, or I can sign in with Google or Facebook if that's set up. If you're a new swimmer, hit no account and sign up, and then you can fill in your details here. And we don't recommend doing this on a mobile phone because you have to sign some waiver boxes with a signature, and depending on what phone you're on, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Now I'm not going to go any further here, but on the next page, after you've done your account, it will then ask you for payment options. You can pay and go through checkout. So that's our first option, how to sign up from the website itself. We can also go into the booking system itself and sign in there. So if I type in booking.southwestswim.co.uk, okay, and hit enter, this will then take me into my account. So if I haven't got an account, I can hit sign up. And I can enter my first and last name and then send an email, my email address. When I hit sign up, that will then send an email to that email address I've put in, and it will be a link into your account to create your profile. So very, very simple. If I already sign in, so this is one of my test accounts, this is what your profile will look like when it's all set up. So if I am an existing customer, I've already created my account. In future, I can go directly to this page and I can click on book now. Endless pool one-to-one video analysis, and very similar how to go through it. So it's selected here, and I can select my next endless pool video analysis session, and it's exactly the same view from within that schedule as well. So that's if you've already got an account, you can sort of bypass the website and go directly into your session. So I hope that's explained how to book in. It's very, very quick, very simple. Setting up your profile will literally take you 3 or 4 minutes to go through and sign in the waiver, etc. on there to say don't do that on a mobile phone. Do that on a desktop if you can. And so we do have a mobile app which makes life easier on a mobile or a tablet. So search for Play Store or the Google Store for Southwest Swim, and you can go through the sign up process on there. And it's very, very similar on how to book a session. It just looks a little bit nicer on your mobile. So I hope that's helped. Any questions, please drop me a line on jason@southwestswim.co.uk, and we look forward to having you in a session very soon. Goodbye.